So as I say, one great thing about a camper van that not many people mention when I was looking at this one is its usability on a day-to-day basis. So it's not just about going away camping. Back, I don't know, when I was in my early 20s, I bought an American day van, a Ford Econoline with a high top. And that has 2 captain's chairs at the front, 2 captain's chairs sat behind, and then a bench seat at the back. And that bench seat at the back then electrically folded down as a bed. And I used to love that for going out for a night out and not worrying about drinking, because I could go to a friend's house, I didn't have to ask them for a bed, I could have a few beers, I could sleep in the back, I could get up in the morning, drive home and have a shower and get ready at home. It didn't have any kitchen equipment, but this takes the benefits of a day van to another level, because in this van I have a fridge. So I want to go to the beach for the day, or as we did literally a couple of days ago, we went to go to the woods, and boiling hot day, kids want some ice creams, I can put all their drinks bottles in here, I can put some food in there, I don't have to worry about the weather, the temperature and the food going off because it's too hot. All goes in the fridge, all shuts like that, secure for the journey.